Willow, this disgusting human is laying on me. I hate humans so much. Well, humans aren't all that bad, Hazel. Not the... They invented pizza. That's not so... with fruit. And they like it. Well, no, that's just controversial. Controversial but true. Who even cares? They don't deserve respect. Especially not after they keep killing us off for their own benefit. Look, before you bring up another food controversy like ranch, which is disgusting, I need to explain that process to you. First off, that process is called deforestation. Deforestation is the removal of trees for more space. According to thoughtco.com, forests like this one right here cover about 30% of the Earth's surface, and every year, about 78,000 square miles of forest land is destroyed for more land. Deforestation can happen through various ways, such as the old-fashioned way of cutting us down and later burning our bodies so our minerals are released into the soil for farmers, and can even occur through unintentional wildfires. Okay, but don't they know that we're helping them with their carbon emission problem by absorbing the carbon emission for our own growth? Killing us off only makes their carbon emission problem worse because it increases the amount of carbon dioxide in their atmosphere. Yes, I know, but we have to think about this from a human's perspective. Our resources are essential to humans as they rely on it. For instance, some of us have palm oil in us, which is then collected by humans when they chop us down. That palm oil is sold to be pretty cheap and is used in various products such as donuts, lipstick, chocolate, toothpaste, pizza, animal feed, and much more. Well, if palm oil is so important to them, why don't they use a better alternative like vegetable oil? Well, again, palm oil is cheap, and if you know anything about humans, you know they love to save their cash for future investments. Using an alternative oil like vegetable oil could cost various companies more money. According to worldbank.org, deforestation provides about 13.2 million jobs for humans who all provide for themselves or their families. Okay, fine, but why do they need so much land anyway? Aside from using the land for agricultural purposes, the population of humans is increasing by a large amount every day. Along with that, the number of homeless humans is also increasing by a large amount every day. The clearing of some forests would allow for an increase in housing apartments and homes, which will result in a decrease in homelessness. Is that all they think about? Themselves? What about the habitats they're clearing? What about the animals they're endangering? What about the animals who are close to extinction, like my friend Stinky? Most humans tend to prioritize themselves and the ones they love and care about more than other subjects, like the environment. Really? Don't they realize that we absorb thousands of liters of water? I'm sure they... which helps prevent soil erosion and floods? Hazel, I'm sure they've got their reasons. Reasons? They murder us for their own benefit and for themselves, and they don't even think about the consequences of killing us off? What it'll do to the environment? Hazel, I know it seems bad, and if I'm being honest, it's horrible. But humans still have a chance to redeem themselves. Yeah? How? Well, for starters, they can avoid using paper as much as possible, avoid supporting products containing palm oil as much as possible, recycle their paper, cardboard, buy sustainable wood products when they need to, plant a tree, and spread awareness. As for those humans who are involved with politics and the government, they can strive for an increase in protected forests and even place a tax on items such as palm oil that support deforestation. Humans have made lots of mistakes in the past. We've been there for them throughout all their mistakes. I have faith that our human companions can make things right in the end. I guess you're right, Willow. Thanks. No problem. But you are right about that fruit on pizza though. That is absolutely disgusting.